I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and today we're learning a brand new stitch, the half double crochet, or HDC for short. If you've tried single crochet and you're ready to explore just a little more height and texture, this is the perfect next step. Let's take it one loop at a time together. The half double crochet is kind of the middle child of stitches. It's taller than the single crochet, but shorter than the double crochet. It's great for making soft, flexible fabric, perfect for baby items, scarves, and cozy wearables. Let's work through one together. You're going to yarn over. This is different from the single crochet where you go straight in the chain. And you're going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and you're going to work into the third. So you're going to go in, you're going to yarn over again, pull a loop through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. That's your half double crochet stitch. Let's work into the next chain. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull a loop through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now let's start the next row. With the half double, your turning chain can either be a chain of 1 or 2. I usually chain 2 to give it stitch more height. So chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. They're going to work a half double into the first stitch. Yarn over, go into the stitches, yarn over, pull through. Don't forget to yarn over first. Insert the yarn, yarn over, pull loop through, so you have 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. When you reach the end of your row, chain 2 and turn your work. Then half double crochet into each stitch across just like before. The more you practice, the smoother it feels. Soon your hands will know what to do before your brain catches up. And that's it. You just learned how to half double crochet. The stitch is so fun, soft, and versatile, and you're doing an amazing job learning a new skill. If this video helped, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and check out my free beginner crochet course where I walk you through every stitch and project step by step. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to crochet with you again soon.